I did something kind of crazy. I watched every single video titled, "You're Wasting Your Money" from 4 different money YouTubers. Tae Kim, Codie Sanchez, Humphrey Yang, and Ramit Sethi. 4 totally different people. Tae is the financial tortoise who's slow and careful with his money. Codie buys boring little businesses instead of stocks. Humphrey used to be an actual financial advisor. And Ramit tells you to buy your fancy coffee without feeling bad about it, but cut everything else like it's nothing. These 4 YouTubers have different beliefs on how to build wealth and definitely have their unique strategies on savings and investing. So when all of them, without talking to each other, pointed at the exact same 10 things that you are wasting your money on, that's not just one guy's opinion, that's a pattern, and it means you're probably wasting money on at least one of these right now. Do you want to know what they are? There are a few you can already guess. But the key here is what to do to stop buying. I'm going to walk through them one by one, the reason why you likely fall for it, and exactly what to do instead. Stick around to the end, because there's an 11th thing all of them agreed on, and you don't spend a penny, but it might be costing you the most. Item 1. Extended warranties. Most extended warranties are priced so the retailer profits even after covering repairs. That's the whole business model. The reason why you fall for it is that it's pitched at the checkout counter, right after you've already emotionally committed to the purchase. What if it breaks? The fear mentality is exactly what the store wants you to feel at that moment. Keep this in mind the next time you want to purchase a warranty. Most decent electronics and appliances already come with a manufacturer's warranty for the failure window that actually matters. If you're worried, put the warranty cost into a just-in-case fund instead. You'll come out ahead almost every time. Item 2, lottery tickets and gambling. Your odds of winning the Powerball jackpot are 1 in 292.2 million. Mega Millions is 1 in about 290.5 million. You're roughly 2,000 plus times more likely to be killed by a lightning strike than to win either jackpot. You could buy a ticket every single drawing for the rest of your life and statistically never come close. The reason you fall for it is because a lottery ticket doesn't sell you good odds. It sells you a daydream. Nobody buys a ticket doing math. You buy it hoping somehow you are the lucky winner. Here's what you can do instead. If what you actually want is that maybe I'll win big feeling, put $5 into one risky stock instead, or a hobby where you can actually get better and improve your odds. At least you learn something along the way. Item 3, new cars, financed. A new car loses a huge chunk of its value the moment you drive it off the lot, but you're still paying interest on the full price, on a thing that's shrinking in value faster than what you owe on it. Dealerships know to focus your attention on the monthly payment. As long as you feel it's small and manageable, you don't look at the total interest paid over 6 to 7 years, which is where dealerships make their real money. A smarter way is to buy 2 to 3 years used car, pay it off fast, and let someone else eat the first few years' depreciation cost. Item 4, not shopping your insurance. A simple phone call after you move, drive less, or bundle your policies can knock real money off your bill. Most people never make that call. The reason you fall for it? Insurance renews itself automatically. Nothing ever taps you on the shoulder and says, "Hey, go check this." So the extra cost just sits there quietly, year after year. Here's what you can do instead. Set a reminder on your phone. Once a year, shop my insurance. One 20-minute call can save you money you never knew existed. Item 5, investments that aren't investments. The $700 blender, the $2,000 mattress, the personal trainer, the drawer full of skincare. None of it puts money back in your pocket. And that's literally what makes something an investment. These don't count. The reason you fall for it, calling a purchase an investment in yourself, makes the guilt disappear. It turns spending into something that sounds smart and disciplined even when it isn't. Here's what you can do instead. Before you spend $100 or more, ask yourself one question. Does this actually pay me back, or does it just make me feel like the kind of person who buys this? If the honest answer is, it doesn't pay me back, you don't have to skip the purchase. Just do 2 things. First, stop calling it an investment, even in your head. Call it what it is, a treat. Second, match it. For every dollar you spend on a treat like this, put the same amount into an account that actually grows. An index fund, a savings account, anything that pays you back. That way, your feel-good spending and your real wealth grow side by side, instead of one quietly replacing the other. Item 6. Treating your house like an investment. Your house doesn't pay you anything. It doesn't grow your money the way the stock market can. And on top of that, you're paying for maintenance, taxes, and interest the whole time you own it. The reason you fall for it, houses always go up in value, is a comforting story. Buying a home feels more grown up and responsible than renting, so your brain files it as a smart money move, even when it's really just a lifestyle choice. Here's what you can do instead. Don't let your house replace your retirement account. Keep contributing to your retirement accounts or index fund every single month, even while you're paying a mortgage. Treat them as two completely separate goals, not one. Item 7. Subscriptions you forgot you have. Streaming apps. Storage upgrades. Little $9 charges you signed up for once and never looked at again. Add them all up, and most people are quietly losing real money every single month on stuff they barely use. The reason you fall for it, a $12 charge doesn't hurt much when it happens, but canceling it feels annoying enough that you just keep forgetting to do. Here's what you can do instead. Once every 3 months, pull up your bank statement in one sitting. If you can't remember using something in the last 30 days, cancel it. Item 8. Buying courses. Instead of building the skill, you buy the course. You feel like you're already improving just from clicking purchase. But a skill only comes from doing the thing over and over, not from watching someone else do it. The reason you fall for it. Buying the course feels like progress. It gives you that same little rush as actually working on the skill without the hard part. It's easier to buy how to paint than to sit and actually paint a picture for 2 hours. Here's what you can do instead. Try to learn the skill for free first. Leverage tools like YouTube, free tutorials to just be hands-on and do it. Only buy a course once you hit a specific wall you can't get past on your own. Now the course is filling a real gap, not replacing the work. Item 9. Food convenience delivery apps. Meal kits, pre-cut veggies, individually wrapped snack packs. Each one of these charges you extra, sometimes double or triple, just to remove a tiny bit of effort. The reason you fall for it, by the time you're hungry and tired, you don't want to think. Convenience shows up right when your willpower is lowest, and delivery apps are built to make the extra fees feel small and easy to ignore. Here's what you can do instead. Cook a big batch once a week and freeze portions, or keep 2 to 3 emergency meals on hand that take 10 minutes. That way, on your tired night, you're not paying the convenience tax because you had no other options. Item 10. Buying things just because they're on sale. Here's the truth. Buying something on sale doesn't save you money. It only spends less money, but only if you were going to buy it anyway. The reason you fall for it, a discount doesn't make you feel like spending. It actually makes you feel like winning. The bigger the percent off, the smarter the buy feels, even if you never needed the thing in the first place. Here's what you can do instead. Before you buy anything on sale, ask yourself, would I buy this today, right now at full price because I actually need it? If the answer's no, the discount isn't a deal. It's just marketing that worked on you. Okay, that's the 10 things all 4 YouTubers mentioned in their own videos. I promised you a bonus one, and it might be the thing you never take the time to think about, but it's quietly costing you the most. Most of the money you make from investing comes from time, not from picking the perfect moment to start. Every year you wait is a year of growth you can never get back. The reason you fall for it, I'll start once I make more money, sounds responsible. But it's actually the most expensive choice on this whole list because you never see the cost. It's not money leaving your account, it's money that never shows up in the first place. Here's what you can do instead. Start with whatever you have, even $25 a paycheck, into an index fund. Set it up to happen automatically, so you only have to make the decision once. There you have it. Which one of these hit closest to home for you? Tell me in the comments. And if this just saved you from a purchase, hit the like button. Your encouragement motivates me to create more useful content for this community. I'll see you in the next video. Happy saving!